students, parents, guests, the faculty, and of course, our staff. My name is Tristan Gino Macalalan, and I will be your Master of Ceremonies for the graduation rites of from one of our guest speakers, the Honorable City Councilor and the Chair of the Education Committee, Mr. Vladimir D. Cayabas.
Thank you to our host. Good morning sa ating lahat. Of course, to our Campus Director, Madam Charlene, the Observer Santo, to our guest of honor speaker, a product of your institution, we have Madam Kat and an empowered woman. Pangalawa, of course, on your part, our dear parents, they are about to finish their basic education. So, what's next? They will go to the so-called higher education. Every day, marami pong nagpupunta sa ating opisina, being the committee chairperson sa larangan ng edukasyon sa ating syudad ng Baguio. At palaging sinasabi, ang mahal ng tuition fee. Paano kaya makapag-aral ang ating mga anak? And that's why we have your city government. Well, we could not prove at the end, it's not all about them. It's all about your whole family. Can you just imagine, after theory na ito, is it only for private schools, but accordingly, it is for all schools, particularly under the Department of Education for this school year will never be. When we speak about competence, we speak about you being mind smarts. You being hand smarts. Congratulations! Mabuhay po tayo lahat.
Thank you for that very wonderful and inspiring message, Honorable City Councilor Cayabas. Okay, to show our appreciation, we would like to award this certificate of recognition, sincere appreciation of his understanding, support, and unwavering commitment as the guest speaker, whose contributions were instrumental to the success of Informatics Baguio City Center Incorporated 2026 Senior High School Commencement Exercises. Following on, our campus director, Ms. Charlene Director, and our academic head to award, and our academic head, Sir Santo Marcelo, to award the certificate and our
journey reflects dedication, excellence, and passion in the field of technology and system development. Our keynote speaker, Ms. Catherine J. T. Torres, is currently serving as a system developer of productivity and decision making. Before becoming a professional in the tech industry, Ms. Torres built a strong academic reputation. She completed her diploma
Okay pa. May pa-bouquet pa si. Yeah. Pagkagulo na ako naman din. Dati po ako ni Hello. Ay, Kwan. Ay, Lugan. Okay. Dali. Pagkitak ko na, hindi ko ay say.
tayo sa burnout sir. Dahil sa amin hindi mag-busik. Talaga pag nag-busik, talo yung kanyang sira. Talsik yung kanyang ano sira.
Talagang welcome to office. Hi, kumusta po lahat ng mga mothers natin dyan? Happy Mother's Day po sa inyo in advance. At salamat po sa inyong contribution, sa inyong pamilya, pag-asikaso sa inyong mga anak, and sa ating komunidad. Napakalaki po ang role ng ating mga mothers. Mabuhay and happy Mother's Day! Oh, yan. Oh, tigil saan? Hindi, gano'n. Sasakay kayo ng chicks. Magandang Baguio. Ayan na. Luwa. And then, ano tayo aminan? Ayan. Kasal na dito, wala si Sen. Nire-represent namin si SPG. And give my card, para
will start the program. Thank you. And now, very welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon, CCTC! Basketball fans, handa na ba kayo magmahayag at makita ang ating sports development and youth empowerment.
To introduce our guest of honor and speaker, may we call on Mr. Chris Bautista, Chairman of NCAA North.
Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. Unang-una sa lahat, nais po natin ipaabot sa ating taos.
Our leader in the NCAA, particularly here in northern Luzon, palakpakan po natin si Chris Bautista. NCAA North Basketball League, we have Dr. Avalos. We have also here Professor Aquino, and to the whole team, lahat NCAA North Basketball League. Yan po ang mensahe mula kay Mr. Malasakit, sportsman and a true public servant.
Eyes on our screen because Senator Bongo will going to give another message.
Ang kakayahan ng ating kabataan, hindi lamang bilang mga atleta, kundi bilang mga responsableng mamamayan. Nais ko rin pong magpasalamat sa Philippine Sports Commission sa kanilang patuloy na suporta sa mga ganitong programa. Malaking tulong po ito upang mas marami
2026 at the CCDC Gym Lache.
For you to lay out your activities in order and make the most of every time that you have for each activity. In that way, you can balance your life and you can grow.
A North Basketball League, leading the management team, laid out the groundworks and organizing the elite teams of 8 institutions spread out through North Luzon, thereby making this grassroots sports development a promising program held at the Cordillera Career in the year of our Lord 2026, given at the CCDC Gym La Trinidad, Benguet, signed by Mr. Chris Bautista, the president of NCAA North.
NCAA North winners go on to that. From the CCDC. And more ladies, congratulations for representing your school. Once again, congratulations to all.
Request our dear athletes to please remain because CCDC will provide or will give small tokens for our athletes. Thank you.
Now let's have.
sa ating fourth game for today. But before that, dito tayo kasama si Councilor Vladimir Cayapas for a quick interview. Hello, sir. Good afternoon. What are the expectations for the first ever SAA?
We expect that more schools will be participating and also in a way that all athletes will be learning from this engagement in a way that they will enjoy and be smart to go back to school after the tournament so that they will be able to continue their studies.
Right, heading to the next question, sir. What are the future supports that can be given?
Like a scholarship grant or educational assistance, but more than all, but the most important thing is personal development and people empowerment.
Thank you so much, sir. Ayan, narito na tayo sa ating fourth game. Ayan, so this is your